Those of you who are reading Wish Tree, you need to tell me the characters so far and describe them just using a few words. I want you to tell me the setting, where and when this is taking place, and any thoughts or questions you have so far. Now I am going to show you the next question too, because really quickly you're going to get to this question. You're going to be discussing Red's comment, making others feel safe is a fine way to spend your days. That was on page 26. You only read to 20 right now, but that was on 26. How does the tree make others feel safe? Is this statement referring only to the animal inhabitants of the tree? What does this comment tell you about the personality of the tree? So if you've gotten that far, respond to that. Otherwise, be thinking about that in your next reading.